How to change security password on SafePal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to change your password on SafePal quickly and easily. Launch open the SafePal application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the Wallet tab or the home page of SafePal, go to the upper left corner and tap on the gear icon. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on Security from the top. Inside Security, at the bottom, you'll see Change Security Password button. Tap on it and enter your old password that you have set previously for your account. Now enter a new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password to confirm, and there you go. Your security password is changed. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again with more easy tutorials to follow like this. Thank you and stay tuned.